Hey guys, it's your girl Koya Renee and I'm back with another video. So today I just wanted to do a mini tutorial for you all, and this is the look that it is. Y'all know I don't know how to name different looks, honey, so this is just the look, okay? And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So as you all know, I'm going to take one of my favorite eyeshadow bases, the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 5. And then I'm just going to spread that all over my eyelids. And then I'm going to go in with a brush and just pat it all over my lid. I know y'all tired of it, but I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. And then I'm going to take that burgundy and brown shade, and I'm going to use that as one of my transitioning colors. And then I am just going to buff that in all over my crease area. Then I'm going to take this like light brown orangey color, and then I'm going to place that on top of that dark color that I use, and then I'm just going to blend that into that other shadow. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take some more of that P. Louise base, and then I'm going to start to cut my crease. So a trick that I learned, I think I mentioned this on one of my other videos, a trick that I learned, that if you have hooded eyes, what you can do is put some of the base on your lid and then just look up so that it transfer on top of the crease area, or sort of kind of on the crease area, and then that kind of helps give you a guide of how high you should take your cut crease. And for a long time I struggled with my cut creases, y'all. I'm still learning to this day how to perfect it, but that is just another great tip if you have hooded eyes. Another thing that you all can do is just take your time. Like, the more time you take, the better your cut crease will come out. And I move so slow. I move really slow, y'all, when I'm doing my cut crease, but I speed up this video for y'all. But I move really slow when I'm cutting my crease, and that's the way that I can get it perfected or to my liking. So for my shadow today, I'm going to go in my 350 palette from Morphe, and I'm going to take this light eyeshadow, and then I'm going to go on top of that shadow with a beige shadow, just so it won't look so bright. Then I'm going to take my eyeliner from NYC and I'm going to line my lids. So if you made any mistakes when you were cutting your crease, you can always go back in with a smaller brush and just try and correct any mistakes that you made by reshaping that cut crease. Then I'm just going to take some concealer that's close to my foundation shade, and I am just going to clean my eyeliner up. So next I'm going to take some glitter, this green and purple glitter, and I'm going to use that. Well, first I'm going to put on some black liner. I'm actually using black eyeshadow, y'all. I don't never use liner. I don't know why. I just don't. I prefer to use the eyeshadow because I feel like it doesn't crease or anything, and it doesn't make my eyes tear up. And then I'm just going to go on top, well, underneath that black eyeshadow where I lined my waterline. And then I'm going to place that green and purple glitter right underneath. Then I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and just kind of wipe off any excess glitter and just clean up any other mistakes that I made. And this is the end of the video, guys. I use MAC's foundation today, and I love you all, and make sure you all subscribe to my channel. So you all, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this mini tutorial. Be sure to thumbs up this video, comment down below what else you all want to see from my channel, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much, and stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to do a review on Kendra's Boutique hair, y'all. I'm so excited. I haven't tried this hair in a long time, so stay tuned for that video. And don't click off this video just yet and go to another channel. Click on one of these other videos before you leave, okay? Watch another video and then make sure you subscribe. I love you all. Bye.